go to that your school and let me see that person. Success, what kind of life are you living? Eh? You have to leave school this early morning. Eh? Success, I'm tired of this girl. You can't learn trade. I want to know the reason why your teacher will allow you. Eh? What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? See, Success, if you don't want to go to school, you can't learn trade. Yes, I have a brother in Onitsha. He are not there 6 years. You will learn how to sew. And you come out, you'll be answering tailor. Nonsense. Which kind of life is this? You're going to die your school. Eh? Even Uncle Kebran cannot join me because of your stubbornness. Where is that teacher of yours?
What Success? Wait, why is Success coming to school by this time?
Don't tell me that nonsense, principal. Don't tell me that nonsense. Success left the house this morning to school. And what's the time? She's back home. Why? And her mates are here. I want to know why.
But sir,
is she owing school fees?
No, sir.
Has she not paid her exam fee?
She has paid.
I remembered vividly I transferred you her lesson fees.
Yes.
Principal, the last PTA I was here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Principal, no, tell me why this child now will leave her own classmates and come back home.
Sir, just hold on. Auntie, why did you allow Success go home when others are still in school?
Success told me she has eye problem.
Eye problem, kwa?
Yes, that's why I dismissed her.
Success! Which eye? Where? Success! Where did you learn these ones from? You are not lying. This must be from your father's, your mother's gene.
Sir,
no, don't touch me, Principal. I'm very angry. How can my own daughter be lying? How? Eh? See, you can do anything in the world. You can, in fact, don't go to school. If you like, run away. But why lie? Which kind of thing is this now? You look your beautiful auntie in the eye and lie to her. And now you're looking me in my eye and you're lying to me. Just imagine this girl.
Sir, you
No.
Wait, let me understand something. Wait. Is it that I came home early or I lied? Which one is your problem?
It's the lie. It's the lie for me. It's the lie for me. Imagine.
If lie is the problem, then there's no problem now.
How will you say there's no problem?
No, because I did not lie.
Come, Success. Do you have eye problem?
Principal, see, I told my teacher that I have eye problem. Because me, I cannot see myself learning anything today in class. You know how I dare to use and see. I cannot see myself learning anything. So I have eye problem. See, I think English is the problem here. I know English is hard. But when someone is speaking English, pay attention, listen. If you don't understand, you ask questions. Before you go and fall your hand in public because of common English. See, that me, I'm going home. Because me, I cannot see myself having any arguments with you. And like I said, I have eye problem. I've gone home.
Principal, who will you fire now? No, I want to know. Fire somebody now. Principal, tell me who you want to fire now.
Sir, you see, there is a procedure that this school normally follow to
Principal.
fire. You are fired. Sir, this means that I will also fire the permanent 6 teacher because they are friends. Let's go to our class before she runs away.
Principal.
You are fired. Sir, let's go, please. Let's go. It's a good thing you came today because it's been long I fired the teacher. This feels good. Success. Uncle K. Brown. And two people that I don't know. Please have a seat. So sorry, I have only one seat in my office. Success. This one you came with all your compound people. I hope all is well.
Principal, this is not all my compound people.
How do you mean?
There are 20 families in my compound.
Yes, and each family has at least 9 children. Anyways, this is not what we are here for.
I was about leaving when you came in, if you noticed, because school has closed for today. So, to what do I owe this visit?
Success. Tell him what you told us.
Principal, my basic science teacher gave me an assignment and I got it right. But she failed me and still flogged me.
Again?
Yes, that is why we are here. I want to know if this is how you people behave in this school, so that I will know if I will draw this game before you people will kill her.
No, sir. So sorry, sir. Let me put a call through now to the basic science teacher. And know if she's still in school. So sorry, sir. Hello? Please, is the basic science teacher of my two still in school? Good. Please tell her to come to my office now. There's fire on the mountain. Okay, thank you. I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't know about all this. I'm very sorry, sir. Okay, Auntie, you're here. Please come.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Principal.
Yes?
You sent for me.
Auntie, Success here told me that you gave her a basic science assignment. And she did it and got it correctly. Yet you failed her and flogged her. Why are all the teachers in this school behaving like this? Why?
Actually, Principal, I gave them an assignment on basic science.
Okay.
Which Success got wrong. And that was the reason why I failed her and flogged her.
Auntie, what was the assignment?
Principal, I told them to draw a diagram of a mosquito circle. But what Success drew was totally wrong. That's why I failed her and flogged her.
Principal, take.
Success. Are you sure this thing is correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Are you the one that drew it?
No, I paid somebody to help me draw it.
The person must be a professional.
Auntie, you see, when you talked about a mosquito circle, I didn't really understand what you were talking about. But with this thing I'm seeing here, you see, I know they have tricycle, motorcycle, and even bicycle. But with this thing I'm seeing here, it looks like a mosquito circle.
No, Principal, this is totally wrong.
How do you mean?
A mosquito circle is a diagram that shows the life.
Auntie, have you rode on a mosquito circle before?
Success, I can't ride on a mosquito circle.
Okay, have you asked a mosquito what the circle they ride look like?
Answer.
Success, a mosquito circle is a diagram that shows the life cycle of a mosquito. From the egg down to the larva, then to the pupa, then to the full-grown mosquito. That was what I asked you to draw. But you drew a mosquito riding a bicycle.
Okay. So why didn't you tell us that we should draw the life cycle of a mosquito?
You be here confusing a small girl. Even me as an adult, I'm even confused.
Even me.
And you see, you better give my complete mark. If not, I'll go home and call all my compound people and this could not enter the force. Uncle, let's go. Look at her red hair like something they use and kill mosquito. After that, they'll say Success has started again.
Don't mind her.
Principal, I can't believe that you're in support of this drawing. I mean, at your level of education, you're supposed to know what a mosquito circle is.
So now you're now shouting at me.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey! So this is how you teachers go around harassing students in this school? A child will do something correctly, yet you flog the child and fail the child. You better pack your things and leave this school. You are fired.
Hey, principal! Oh my God!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Success. This one you brought your uncle to my office again. I hope all is well.
Principal, I'm not the one that called my uncle to school.
Actually, Success did not call me to your office. It was her auntie that called me to your office.
And auntie, I thought I had fired you before.
Yes, sir, but he called me back.
Okay. This one you ask Success uncle to come to my office. I hope all is well.
Principal, all is not well, though. The reason why I invited Success uncle to your office is to report Success to you in the presence of her uncle. Principal, this girl is giving me a headache.
What happened?
Principal, can you imagine? Success is in a bad gang in my class.
Me?
Success? Bad gang?
No.
You mean so? Auntie, no now.
Seriously?
Come off it. How will you say this little girl is leading a bad gang in this school? She's just a child.
Yes, exactly. I know that Success can be so many things, but not a gang leader.
Oh. Auntie, tell us what really happened.
Principal, last week Friday, I gave them a test. You have 10 minutes remaining, and once it's 10 minutes, I'm coming to take your answer sheet, whether you're finished or not. And if you get home, tell your friends that I refuse to resume school early, that they have missed my tests. Nonsense. In fact, I'm coming to your table to check if anyone is doing malpractice in my class. Bia, what have you written?
Nothing.
So you mean for the past 30 minutes I gave you this question, you've not written anything? Not even your name? Get out of my class! Get out! Now listen, if I come to your table and you've not written anything, I will tell your answer sheet and you will leave my class. Is that clear?
Yes, Auntie.
Nonsense.
Please, have anybody written anything? No. Have you written anything? No. What are we waiting for now? Auntie, I'm leaving your class for you. If you people like you people should sit down there and write rubbish that is still fair, me, I'm going home. I beg, which kind of test is this? Let us go, Joe.
And principal, that was how all of them left my class. So.
Success! So you're not leading a protest in my school?
No!
So why did you tear your book and make others leave the class?
Principal, see, my auntie said that if you not write anything, that she will come to assist and tear our book. So I said, instead of her to come to assist and tear our answer sheet, let her just tear it at once. Because we don't know what to write.
Success! How will you say you don't know what to write?
Principal, school just resumed now. Teacher have not taught us anything and she gave her test.
Wait, you mean school just resumed and you have not taught them anything and you gave her tests? Who does that?
Sorry, sir. Before we left for the holiday, we asked them to study and teach themselves at home because the academic calendar will still be running despite the COVID.
Auntie, see, you cannot just come and give me tests when you did not teach me anything. Since I'm the one that taught myself, let me give myself the test.
I agree. I agree with her 100%. Since you asked her to teach herself, allow her to give herself test. In fact, let's make this thing to be fair. Once she's through with the test, I'm going to mark it myself. So that people will not come now and say that she wrote something that she's not supposed to write. Do you think I like coming to this place?
Don't mind them. They said they will give you somebody test without teaching the person. If God tells people like that without giving 10 commands, they want you to say your answer sheet.
Oh.
I could come and be going a beg. I no protest. Rising they'll say so I block Lekki toll gate.
Auntie.
Yes, sir.
Apart from you, did I call any teacher back?
No, sir.
So if I fire you now, I don't have any teacher in this school.
Yes, sir.